kwale ndebe anzuyitsala mna ibende akhonto ibhlungu manje uzibona sewulilolo Feb 2024 washiya umamashiya hayibo ntombi endala intoni usiqhatha ukubona basisa kubuka I had a lot of hope ndisithi nangoku manje uzawunqoba nene kulomhlaba umuntu uphuma wocimela unaphakade bayawunabela uqaqaqa kodwa babuyi bazosixelela kunjani pressure kodwa apho khoyo yazi thina sohlela imani sikuthanda I had to watch the Adam sisters having now some breakdown issues I had to watch my brothers going to a lot I had to watch my family mourning for your loss ukufa ngumakoti wamzwengo kodwa ukuba kwakho kunesandla somuntu Thixo thatha indawo yebandazama uqola ngoba uqolo lethu lokwenza ulale ngoqolo kodwa inhlungu ihlaba inhliziyo nanhlitheka mina nanhloni